how to share Spotify playlist. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. Once you open the Explore page, go to the bottom panel and click on your library. After that, scroll through and select a playlist of your choice that you would like to share. On this page, click on the add icon as shown to invite friends to your playlist. You will be taken to this page over here. You can explore these pages to learn more about how it works. Here, on the bottom, you can see the copy link option. Tap on Copy Link to send the link to your friends. You can also see a lot of other options to choose from, such as TikTok, Messenger, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, etc. So, just go ahead and select whichever one that you want. Following these steps, you can easily share your Spotify playlist with any of your friends and enjoy the music together.